So many times when we go to restaurants, we just hear people offering bruschetta. We really don't know what it is. And we all think that it's a piece of bread with a lot of tomatoes and sauces on top. Very, very wrong. What is a real Italian bruschetta? You need a very thick, big home bread, something like a sourdough bread. It needs to be extremely fresh because you want your bruschetta to be soft in the middle after you grill it. You take a slice of bread and you put it straight on the grill till it's crispy. So we made a fire, we have a barbecue ready, and we are ready with our slices. Our bread has come straight from the grill. We take a clove of garlic, we just scratch it on top. Extra virgin olive oil. Salt. On top of our bruschetta, of course, we can put whatever we like. Tomatoes, salad, tuna fish, whatever we really like to add. But the bruschetta is this one.